So I'm here with
Keaton. My name's Keaton.
Hi Keaton, can you just tell me what you do and just a bit about today, please?
So I'm a digital marketing manager here. Today we've got a Canada Goose and Moncler flash sale, up to 500 pieces, men's and ladies. Come and get yourself a bargain. Jackets 30 to 35% off. Lots of accessories down here, which
As
are
I've shown you,
up to 50% off. Come down. Come chill with us, hang with us, get yourself a nice bargain for the winter.
And good vibes, I love that. And can I just do your outfit quickly?
Of course, man.
Fly, I see the CP.
I've got the CP here.
I see that.
Under the chains.
I love the chain. I like the little.
I've got the new
Admiral badge.
The new Admiral badge there. Yeah.
Little Sakai's, not Sakai's. I was almost wrong there.
These are just some Uniqlo numbers. You know,
nice.
I love my trousers from Uniqlo.
I was talking about Uniqlo literally yesterday.
They fit nice on me.
Perfect.
And these are some custom-made waffles. So
nice. Oh really?
I designed these on Nike ID myself.
Ah, love. I didn't know they'd done the options for the waffles.
So anytime that I sort of get my waffles, I always do it custom because I don't like the colours that they make themselves.
So you do,
So I do it myself. I've got a dusty pink one that I made as well. So,
nice. And that's why he's so fly. You see, I'm just gonna step back so you can see Keaton and all his flyness. Come on, man. One of one, original. Thank you for your time, bro. Appreciate it. You guys, like we said, come down and look at the stock. I've shown you what they've got. I'm gonna talk to a few more people. You know what I'm saying? He walked up, so he's gonna have to be in the camera because shit, it's too late. I got you in, bro. How are you, man? Say your name. Say your name.
I'm Jack. Nice to meet you guys.
How are you, Jack, man?
All good, man. You?
Good, yeah. I'm well, thank you. So you're looking forward to today? I love your top.
Thank you very much.
Is it Moschino? Or is that?
No, it's not. It looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah, I thought it was a little.
No, it's a brand called Story MFG.
Oh wow, really fly. You're looking dope today, man.
Thank you, bro.
I think it's a prerequisite before you can step in the shop. You've got to be fly, man. You know what I'm saying? And what do you do, bro?
I mean, you've come in all your Sean Weatherspoon gear
well,
today.
You know what I mean? All I need is the jacket, the jeans, and I'll be in clown wear.
Good, man.
What do you do, bro?
Here. What do I do?
Here.
I work in the shop full time.
Nice.
I'm always here. I've been here 15 years now. So.
All right, lovely.
I'm one of the boys.
He's
I'm
one of the
furniture.
boys. So once you come down, you'll see our man Jack, and you know what I mean. Make sure you're polite and nice, and he might look after you. All right, thank you, man. Cheers, bro. Of course, you got the gods of security here. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
What's happening, brother? You know what I mean? Everyone's fly. Look, they can't just come in and be normal. You know what I mean? Everyone's just fly, man.
Even the security's dog.
You get me? Even the security's fly. You get me? See, people are very busy. Look, he's got his busy face. Like, don't disturb him. Hello. You know what I'm saying? Hello, sir. Quick 2 seconds. What's your name?
My name's Art.
Hey Art, I know your name really, but I just wanted it for the camera. Art he does a lot here. I'll let him tell you. Art, could you just...
I'm Art from Dpus. I'm the content director at this store, so I help direct kind of the image that everything that you see online and kind of where you want to take the shop. So if you stay tuned to us, we've got a lot of stuff, big plans. You know, we've got a lot more sales coming up.
Facts.
And in the online world, we're actually starting up a YouTube channel.
Facts.
So be excited to see a few recognisable faces.
Lovely.
To come and shop with us in the near future.
And as you can see, you see their online, like their Instagram is just popping. Things is, you can tell everything's popping up. So you can see Art's doing his job very well.
So we've recently just got Harry in, who's our new he's a new boy who's helping out with creating the content.
Oh, nice.
And he's currently running the Instagram.
Okay.
He's doing an amazing job.
You're doing a good job, Harry. I'm shouting you out. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So if you ever send a message, it's most likely Harry to be responding, and most of the content you're seeing at the moment is him. But
lovely.
Yeah,
all right, thank you so much, sir, and I'll let you get back on with your busy day ahead. And yeah, guys, make sure you come down to the store. Like I said, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to try and get interviews with everyone. Like I said, there's a lot of stuff here, man. Good discounts. Obviously, it's quality. You ain't even got to ask that. And yeah, just find your way down, man. Look, feet. All right, since Mr. Polo Sport, don't run away. It's too late. You walked in the camera. Say your name.
Harry.
Hey, Harry. Oh, we were just speaking about you. Obviously, you're doing all the digital content, right?
Yeah.
For the Instagram and stuff.
New on the Insta.
Yeah, it's looking good, man.
Yeah, nice.
Doing a good job.
Nice
like I've dropped a few likes there. You know what I mean? I like the pictures. I like the interaction.
Yeah, trying to get it going good. Getting some models in.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going good. What are you looking for today? Are you looking for any pieces yourself?
I just came down to film film really. I'm going studio in a bit, but I'm gonna have a little peruse before everyone gets in, and then I'm gonna see if I can just put something aside cheaply.
Yeah, grab some bits.
Exactly.
There you go, yeah.
There you go, man. But yeah, man. Let me just get your fit because I see you looking fly, of course. A bit of polo sports there. He's going with the Prada. He's trying to hide it. He's trying to be understated. I mean, he's trying to be understated there, you know, but you can't get away. Nah, there's no such thing. They're worn as they should be. You know what I mean? Looking fly, bro. Looking fly. Good job on the content, man. You know what I mean? Look at that polo sport right there. You know. If you don't know, get to know. You know what I mean? Love, bro. Thank you. See the top dogs here. They're discussing stuff. Alright, let me see if I can get the little dog. Alright, Rob.
How you
Can I
doing,
get
man?
it for
You
2
alright?
seconds? Yeah, I've got everyone. This is Rob. In case you don't know, you already know who Rob is.
Hi, guys.
Rob, they've already told us what discounts are and so on and so forth. Just a few extra words for people who will be coming down tomorrow and
Yeah,
Sunday.
I mean, these sort of sales don't usually happen with Moncler and Canada Goose. Quite big brands that never really get discounted. So this is a real sort of special one. It's the first one we've done of just a single branded or double branded sale. Usually it's a multi-brand sale that we do. This is the first one, and it's quite a unique sale. So even if you come down Saturday, Sunday, there's loads and bits and pieces. We've got restock in the back, so we'll be restocking every day. Lots of little bits to get Christmas presents. These are all like 40-50%.
As you can see, as I've shown you guys,
Footwear's all like
the footwear up
50%
there, of
off.
course.
The jackets we've got.
galore. I've shown
Come
you.
with open mind, not just to come for Arctic Parkers, because this season collection Arctic Parkers are only around 20% to 25%.
Still quite a lot.
But because they're new season. But the other styles, which are beautiful styles, can be up to 30-40%. So
Sounds
keep an
good.
open mind about colours. Don't think I just want
Yeah.
a Wyndham, I just want a Carson, I just want that. Open your mind, come along. See you
Sounds
soon.
good. Thank you. I'm just going to get Rob's fit because Rob is always on point. I'm not going to say on trend because Rob doesn't do trends. He just fly. You know what I mean? He just
got
fly.
my style.
Yeah, exactly. Look, come on, Kahu. If you know, you know. I'm still due a pair of these. Quality is ridiculous on those. I'm just going to give the full circle. Nah, don't worry, man. You're flying. What
Jack's
can
the
you do?
one who wears all the nice stuff. I'm
Don't
just the
worry.
old man.
Nah, I'm the old man. You see the beard. Thank you, Rob. I'll leave you
Sweet.
to get on. Nice one. And of course, we have our geezer, Trevor, the god, the MC. How are you, sir?
All good, girl. All good.
Good.
Ready to start the sale.
Yeah.
Canada Goose Moncler. Here we
Looking
go
good.
again. Yeah.
Again, you've done a few of these, obviously. You've seen people come and go over the years, man.
Yes, maybe too many. Yeah, very much so. Yeah.
Well, you're looking young, sir, so, you know, I can't imagine you've
Confidence
seen
to
that
get you
many.
everywhere.
Thank you. That's what my mom told me, and that's what I'm letting you.
Working.
You're looking cool, sir. Let
Thank
me
you
give
very
a little
much.
sweep of the outfit because
By all
Trevor's always just in style, stylish. Not on trend, as I say, because we don't do trends. We just do
Correct.
fly, stylish. See, I tried to be a bit like Trevor today, but I forgot the chain bit. You get me? See, I'm just not cool. You need
Change
everything. You need the
Change
chain.
20 years old, mate.
Oh, really?
No preferred garment.
Oh, nice.
Thank you.
Well, I'm hoping you have a good day today, sir. And
sure
as
we will.
always, good energy.
Yeah.
So we'll catch
Thanks
up in
for
a
all your
bit.
support as well, guys. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Appreciate that.
They appreciate it, and like I said, come down, man. They got a lot of stuff. Everything's popping. You know, like I said, even you just want to get a little polo. You know, you're not spending bed though. Just come true, get a polo, get a slide. Who doesn't need slides? Everyone needs slides. So come through, get yourself some slides. Hello, I haven't interviewed you.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm okay.
Are you working or supporting today?
Working.
Yeah.
Working and supporting.
What's your name, sorry?
I'm Epi, Rob's daughter.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm liking the outfit.
Thank
Classic
you.
black, of course.
Classic black, we've got
You
a
can't
little
go
bit
wrong.
of white, you can't go wrong with
You
that.
can't go wrong. Like I said, everyone in here is trendy.
Yeah.
And I don't mean trendy like short it trendy, I mean cool. You know what I mean? They got their own style. You know what I mean? I love it. Get yourself down, guys. I think I need a knit. That's what I mean. 125. looks a good though. Oh, really, you want one of these? Look, you want a classic one, don't you?